Hello viewers, today I am going to unbox SanDisk Extreme Portable SSD. It's very fast, it's waterproof and it's shockproof. It's vibro resistance, small, compact and is easy to put into your pocket. This is the side view from the box and this is the front view. It's 500 GB. And now we will open it. 3, 2, 1. We can see the SSD. It's very nice and it's very compact. It's very lightweight and it's USB-C type. .5 cm and the other side is 4.7 cm. This is the warranty card, paperwork, and this is the cable that we can connect to phones or laptops. This is USB-C type and the A type adapter. There is an arrow mark significantly to connect to the USB-A type. In the both the ends they have marked. And you can easily connect to laptops, MacBooks, Android and iPhones. Thank you. We will see in my next video.